Lindsey Vonn returns to skiing after retirement. English story simplified. Lindsey Vonn, one of the most celebrated skiers in Alpine history, has announced a surprise return to the slopes. Born in 1984 in Minnesota, Vonn became passionate about skiing at a young age and quickly ascended the ranks due to her fearless style and competitive drive. Her career took off in the early 2000s, with her first World Cup debut in 2001. Over the years, Vonn won numerous championships, including her Olympic gold in 2010 and 82 World Cup victories, a record that stood until 2023. Despite her dominance in skiing, Vonn faced numerous setbacks due to injuries, including multiple surgeries and fractures that impacted her career. At the 2013 World Championships, she sustained severe injuries, leading her to sit out the 2014 Olympics and fight back to maintain her lead in the World Cup circuit. By 2019, Vonn announced her retirement, citing that her body could no longer endure the strains of professional skiing. Following a knee replacement surgery 7 months ago, Vonn realized she could now ski without pain and hinted at a potential comeback. Although she emphasizes that her return is tentative, she is eager to test her limits again. Vonn's enduring competitive spirit was seen in her bronze win at the 2019 World Championships, making her the oldest woman to win a medal in that event. Her love for speed and skiing has always been strong, and this recent surgery has given her a renewed chance to pursue her passion, though she's mindful of the steps required to race at the professional level once again. Former champions and coaches have expressed admiration for her ability to return, noting her unique resilience and skill, with some even calling her journey back seemingly impossible given her injuries. Vonn's return to skiing reflects her lifelong dedication to the sport, making her an inspiration for athletes globally. Known for her humility, dedication, and strong connection with fans, Vonn remains a beloved figure in skiing, both for her achievements and her personal battles on and off the slopes. Her journey continues to shape the future of the sport and inspire new generations of skiers.